You think you're training biceps, but you're not. Watch this. Save this and come back stronger. Want bigger biceps? This is one of the most effective curls you can do. Save this and come back stronger. Try this on your next cable curl. Save this and come back stronger. People train biceps wrong. Try these moves. Save this and come back stronger. Want stronger biceps? Most people make these mistakes. Watch this. Save this and come back stronger.